Hello everybody, I'm going to be talking about professional growth. During this module, that is what we have learned. Professional growth is very important as an educator. Continued education is a must. I'll start by telling you a quote. Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. Education is the kindling of a flame, not the filling of a vessel. Self-education, I firmly believe, the only kind of education there is. As a professional, you should always keep an open mind when it comes to continued education. Schooling, such as a college or a tech school, is only a stepping stone when it comes to pursuing your career. How do you expect your students to want to learn new things if you don't think it is necessary for yourself? I only say that because they mock what you do. So if you have a positive attitude, they will have a positive attitude. If you have an open mind, they will also. But if you think you know everything, they will do the same. What is a professional educator? Listed below are just a few characteristics of a professional educator. Reliable to students and colleagues. Provide a top-notch education for the students. Always striving for personal best. Keeping an open mind. Teaching with passion during career. Growth mindset. As a student, you have to pledge to all of these. So I think it would be important for an educator to also have to pledge to these and be reliable and accountable for these such words. What is professional growth? Professional growth is someone that is always willing to learn more and advance in their craft. They are on a wonderful adventure that will always have them open to learning new things to teach their students. They really love being able to learn new things, so in return they can see growth in their students. Success is the priority. You want to have a win-win situation. So if you set your students up for success, then you also want to set yourself up for success. How can I become a better teacher? Go back to school. What does this mean? Continued education. Education is the key. Professional reading, professional development. You can pursue a bachelor's degree, master's degree, or doctorate. You can gain certificates and endorsements, such as if you are just an elementary teacher, and that's all you have a degree in. Maybe you're interested in music. Maybe you're interested in coaching. Maybe you're interested in early childhood, or maybe sped ed. That would be something to consider to get your endorsement or certificate in. Also, you can attend many different seminars. Sometimes the seminars are local and sometimes you have to travel for them. Also, some are paid for and some are not. So that was something to consider also. Life is growth. If we stop growing technically and spiritually, we are as good as dead. That is the truth right there. Growing is a non-stop thing. You want to grow as much as you can. Never stop learning. Being a forever student, you will provide endless opportunities for yourself and for your students. It will help you stay motivated and excited to be in your career. Your students will look up to you so much more. They will see that you are willing to learn, and that will motivate themselves to do the same. Little kids and also older kids, they often mock you. So if they see that you're a positive teacher, they're going to also be positive. So if they see you really pursuing your education, they're going to really want to do the same. I think that by doing all these things, you will create a wonderful classroom, and it will be an inviting, exciting place for everybody to attend. You don't want to be like the teacher that was described in the module. He seemed to know it all. I was once told, if you think you know everything in your career, you might as well get out, because nobody ever knows everything. There's always something to be learned. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful night.